Welcome to New Tech Reviews.
Hello everyone, this is Peter Charlton from New Tech Reviews. I just wanted to share this with you today because it's been so helpful to me. It's really changed my financial situation. I'm a retired engineer. I came from the north of England and Scotland. I spent a lot of my life in Scotland before I came to Sweden. I've been here about 20 years. Retired engineer, beekeeper, professional beekeeper. We've been making honey and selling honey for 15 years. But I'm also the father of a 10-year-old son and older children as well. Now, I have been struggling financially for many years. It's always there's been enough. Always we've made it by, but always it's been a struggle to balance everything that we need, and we live very frugally. My wife's a therapist. She helps people every day, heals people and helps people, and we are always struggling to make ends meet. Anyway, since I came across this gentleman who I really like as a human being, he speaks very clearly, he's very concise with what he says, and it's very clear and easy to follow. He has an educational system that I want to share with you. It's completely free to start with. There's a webinar, web classes, and he really clearly lays out what is beneficial for you and how to go and get it. So I totally recommend this. You can follow the links below this video if you're watching it on a computer, or if you're watching it on a mobile, it's to the right. Follow that link and it will give you access to his free web class, and I thoroughly recommend that you do that. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope this is useful to somebody. Best wishes. Bye for now.
For more New Tech Reviews, press subscribe.